Right, I've got a specific job for you today, this morning. Well, it's Welsh flannel wool, Welsh wool, Welsh flannel. Now, Holywell, where St Gwenflwyd was, Maes Glas is the valley where they wove and made all this kind of cloth. This cloth is what farmers wore.
It's been a really fabulous experience having Kevin with us this week. Arrived on Monday and, gave the children an idea of what they were going to be doing. They were looking at some of the machines and getting some ideas and inspiration. So we had a look at some artwork and things with them on Monday afternoon. Then Tuesday they really got stuck into it, and since then they have been so inspired by what we've been doing. It's been absolutely fantastic. Some of the work they have produced has been absolutely phenomenal and a really great standard that we don't normally see in school.
Yeah. Don't you think this looks like pastel work or watercolour, where you've just smudged chalk or chalk pastel? So it's a drawing machine. And then we can cut and make our flowers and garlands to go around them to illustrate our words. Yeah? Are we up for this? Good? Okay then.
Having an artist in and somebody else inspiring them and somebody different has really given them the vision and a flair for something they don't normally have, because it's out of the norm, and that's been really, really wonderful to see. Just that higher quality of work produced.